What's up my friends? It's Yayo again. So tuloy natin ngayon yung 10 reasons kung bakit denied ang ating claim. And number 7 reason for denial is yung tinatawag na lack of insurable interest. For example, may client kami na kumuha ng insurance policy para sa kotse niya. And then after a couple of months, binenta na niya yung kotse niya. Yung buyer, yung nakabili ng kotse niya, ay nabangga at nag-try mag-file ng claim. Unfortunately, na-deny yung claim niya. Yung transfer of ownership ng kotse does not necessarily mean the transfer of ownership of the policy. Kailangan mong tumawag sa insurance mo, notify sila na nabenta mo na yung kotse mo, so makagawa sila ng endorsement, and ilipat yung ownership ng policy from you to your buyer. And the number 6 reason for denial is limitation as to use. So, ang assumption ng insurance ay ginagamit mo yung kotse mo for personal, social, and leisure use. So, ibig sabihin lang, pag ginagamit mo siya pangkarga ng mga, say, construction materials, or for business, or ginagamit mo siya pangkarera, or ginagamit mo siya pampasada, and when you file a claim, and then ma-investigate, ginagamit mo siya other than for personal use, automatically, dinideny nila yon. Bakit? Kasi increase mo yung risk exposure mo sa daan. And the 5th reason kung bakit denied ang ating claim is yung tinatawag na unauthorized repair. So for example, na-aksidente ka, pinagawa mo agad before ka mag-file ng claim sa insurance, malaki yung possibility na i-deny ka ng insurance. Bakit? Technically, wala na silang ma-check, di ba? A-assess properly kung ano ba yung naging damage sa kotse mo kung na-repair na yun. By the way, you can also avail motor car insurance from MMG. Ang insurance provider namin ay walang iba kundi si Una Insurance. Okay itong insurance na to, madaling kausap, competitive ang rates, madaling mag-file ng claim. Kung meron kayong inquiries, please send us a message and sasagutin agad yon ni Miss Desiree.
Kapag sa amin kayo kukuha ng insurance, in an event of claim, guaranteed na we all do the paperwork for you and less hassle on your part.
So that's it for now, and please stay tuned for part 3 of this short video.